One of the biggest concerns has been, especially in the transport sector, is how to maintain your safety, especially when you're traveling with the public means.
One, we've advised our customers to try and come in early to make sure that they are screened. In addition to that, we've put in measures such that when they are boarding into the train, we release them in small batches so that we don't have big crowds getting into the train, just to ensure that there is no contamination.
Over 4,000 people always use these trains every single day. Now, normally there are about 11 coaches where 9 are for economy and 2 are for first class. Now, normally the economy has about 118 seats and for first class has about 72 seats. Now, this number becomes a bit more during the peak seasons where we have 17 coaches where 14 are for economy and 3 are for first class. Now here lies the challenge. How does the train management manage all these numbers to ensure their safety, while at the same time also the safety of staff who are with these passengers all the way? Keeping in mind that these trains at all times have about 96% occupancy rate.
Now, what we've done to our staff, we have made sure that all our staff who are coming into contact with the passengers, that they have gloves, especially the ones inside the train. They have the nose masks, just to ensure that there is no contact and that they are safe. We have also come up with a quarantine area at Mombasa, at Voi, and at Nairobi. We are also ensuring that our coaches, after every trip, they are cleaned and they are fumigated, just to ensure that the next group of passengers coming in are safe on the next travel.
Now, one of the things you need to look out for when you're lining up is first, you need to be 3 meters. It's called a social distance. You need to maintain a 3 meters distance to ensure your safety and the safety of your fellow traveler. Then afterwards, you need to get your temperatures checked.
Your temperature is 32.1. Okay. There's no fever.
Okay, my temperature is 32.1, no fever, so I'm good to go. So my temperature has been checked. I've passed through the security. If I had any luggage, it will be checked. Now the other step is sanitizing my hands, which is something that you need to do every time you get into any new premises. Then of course, once you're in a crowded area, remember to wear a mask. Now let's go get my train. After going through all the checks, my temperature getting checked and my luggage, it's time to get to the train. And one thing you need to do when you get to any new establishment is wash your hands. And this is just in case you've touched any surfaces between the checkpoints and getting into the train. And this is simply for your own safety. You dispose of the tissue, and now it's time to get to my seat. So the way the seats are done, they're very well spaced, and this is in line with maintaining social distance, which is supposed to be 3 feet apart. And if you cough, in case of anything, be mindful of those who are around you. So these are my travel mates. Saseni? Munaenda wapi?
Mombasa.
Mombasa, here we come. So be mindful of those who are around you, maintain social distance, which is clearly from what I have with my neighbors here. And of course, be mindful of those who are around you. And these simple health measures are for your sake and for those who are traveling with you and also your loved ones, because you never know where you might actually be going after this. So it's important to take care of yourself and take care of your fellow travelers. Be safe. My name is Mercy Milanoi and this is K24.